Hi everybody, I'm going to explain your assignment for this week. And your assignment for this week is number 5, natural disaster paragraph. You're going to go to classwork and it's right here, number 5. Okay, so you're going to click on this button. And the first thing I'm going to have you look at is the stoplight writing picture. So a paragraph has at least 5 sentences. It can have more than that, but it should have at least 5. And first I'm going to go over the 5, which is the first green, the 3 yellow, and the last green. That makes 5 sentences. The first green is when you introduce your paragraph. That's called an introduction sentence or a topic sentence. The yellows are the details. So you have detail 1, detail 2, detail 3, and then you have the conclusion, which is the last sentence. And what you do is you basically restate your first sentence. So you just kind of say it in a different way. Now, paragraphs are at least 5 sentences, but they can be more. So that's where the red comes in. Red means supporting detail. So your first supporting detail, it has to go with your first detail. This gives me more information about this, okay? So you can't just say something random here. Your supporting detail has to describe, explain, or give an example to whatever you said right here. And if you have a supporting detail for detail 1, then you should probably have a supporting detail for detail 2 and detail 3. Okay, so that will be done with the description of what a paragraph is, but remember to look at this because you need to have at least 5 sentences. Okay, all right, I'm going to go to the example here. So notice how the colors, oh, come on. Oh, gotcha. Okay, I was in the wrong tab. Oh no, I wonder if this worked. Did that work for you? I hope so. All right, let's go to the example. I am going to fix this. There we go. Okay, now you can see it. So here's the example. I put my name here and the date. Notice how I erased what it said before. For title, I put landslides. Oh my. So just make an interesting title. You can change the font and the color. Paragraph 1 is going to be describing your natural disaster. So each day you're going to be in charge of 1 sentence, 1 or more. So today, yesterday you were supposed to work on your topic sentence, an interesting sentence about your natural disaster. So here's mine, and it's actually 2 sentences, but that's okay. Did you know that landslides can happen in California and all over the United States? That is so scary. So that was kind of interesting because it's going to hook whoever's reading my paragraph. Now in detail 1, you're going to answer where does it occur. Landslides can happen anywhere there's a mountain. Now with my supporting detail, I'm going to explain a little bit more about that. I'm going to describe, explain, or give an example. Landslides happen in all 50 states, but mostly in California, Oregon, and Washington. Detail 2, what does it look like? Well, landslides have rock, earth, and other materials that slide down the mountain. Now I'm going to add some more supporting details for that. Detail 2. Well, the stuff that falls down the mountain is called debris. It can travel around 35 miles per hour. Detail number 3, an interesting fact. A mudslide is a type of landslide, just made out of mud. Now I'm going to give a detail about that. A supporting detail. When it rains, the water mixes with the dirt to make a slurry. Now I'm just going to conclude my paragraph, and I'm going to restate my introduction. In my introduction, I said they can happen everywhere, and that's scary. So at the bottom, I said, well, landslides are one of the scariest natural disasters. So that kind of wraps up my paragraph, and everything goes and flows together. Notice how I didn't have any transition words, but you can, okay? So you can use first, next, last, but it has to make sense. All right, I'm going to quickly go over to, actually, I'm not going to have time to go over the template, but this is what you're going to be doing. And it has more directions on there, but all you need to fill out is this colorful template. All right, bye.